In this tutorial I'll create this comical screen effect with the puppy dog and the chrysanthemum. It's the flower there in the background. Now I've used the layer mask before with cloning the images, so you use a layer mask with this effect as well. So it's quite simple once you've been through the steps. We'll close that off. I won't save, and we go and load our file. Now the first one, a recent one, I load the flower first because that's the largest of the images. It'll load in a second. Now the second image, which is the dog's face, the puppy dog's face, you load as a layer. We load as a layer. Now I have it already chosen, that's that one there, and we load the puppy dog's face. I select the Move tool to adjust the image over the chrysanthemum, just so it sits reasonably centre. Now I go to Layers and I create a layer mask. Now that's you go to Layer, Mask, and add a layer mask. It needs to be a white full opacity, which is the default. You click OK or Add, and it adds the layer mask. That's it over on the in your Layers channel. Next thing we need to do is choose a brush. Now I choose I go to my brush tool and I choose a fuzzy brush because I don't want to rub out anything that I want to get fairly close to without being too heavy on the eyes. So we've got our fuzzy brush. We move our scale of the brush right up the top, and now we've got a foreground needs to be blacked. Now all we do now is overpaint what we don't want, and that reveals the chrysanthemum underneath. So we just go over the puppy, take all his hair away from his face and the image around the side. You just got to be careful. If you make an error, you just change the colour back to white and you repaint it back in. I'll take most of his dark whiskers away because it spoils part of the effect. Go very carefully around his tongue. You can see now why I used the fuzzy brush. So I don't go too heavy onto the areas. You can see now it's cleaned it all up nice and easy. And that's the effect. It doesn't take much. We right click our top image on the Layers channel and we go down and we flatten the image. We don't need it anymore, so we flatten it all, and there's the effect with the puppy face. So it's quite a quick and easy one to do. And thank you for watching. Rate my video and also check my channel. You will see a link to a website where this one is laid out in a hard copy in a PDF format. Once again, thank you for watching.